What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Collegium Pillar Court 1 in the Bianco colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. So they're an Australian-based men's jewelry and accessory company, and for someone like myself who doesn't wear too many accessories daily, let me tell you, on their website, you're bound to find something that suits your style. So I'll add their social media, their website, all that stuff down below. And through my link, you'll be able to get exclusive pricing and savings only available through here. So Collegium was created by a good friend of mine, Nick, who's headquartered out of Los Angeles. Their brand is focused on creating timeless pieces with a strict focus on quality and details. So while their past silhouettes have had a bit more of an elevated and high-end look to them, with these guys, Nick has gone back to his sneakerhead roots and infused his love for sportswear, creating the silhouette that can be both dressed up or dressed down without cutting any corners. So this pair retails for a price of $265 US, and the entire shoe was made in Italy. So diving straight into the shoe, the entire upper of the sneaker is constructed using this very supple white Italian leather. So you can really tell in hand that this leather is super high quality. And then as we move along the midfoot of the shoe, here we have this diagonal panel that adds some visual interest to the rest of the shoe. On the back heel, we have Collegium's signature heel skirt, and it's finished off with the Collegium logo debossed in the center. The laces in this case is a waxed cotton lace, which also elevates this shoe, giving it a more luxurious finish. And then underneath this, we have this full leather tongue, and it's finished off with this leather tag at the very top, which has a Collegium word mark debossed at the bottom. So both the back of the tongue and the inner liner of this shoe, this is made out of a very soft calfskin leather, and I really like how it's done in this sort of beige or tan color, giving it a secondary color without being too loud and too distracting. So while the inner liner is lined in leather, the insole is also done in leather as well. This is a polyurethane insole, which does add some comfort to the shoe, and it's finished off with the Collegium word mark once again debossed in the heel. So the upper of these pillar courts sits atop this margam sole, which is the same type of sole that the majority of designer brands use as well. And no surprise, this component is also made in Italy too. Flipping these guys over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole. So the outsole is done in a combination of vertical and horizontal lines, and this is all done in white colored rubber. So in terms of sizing, Collegium does not use American sizing. So for me, my feet measures as a true size 10, and I got these in a size 42. If anything, they run a little bit more on the shorter side. However, width-wise, they were perfect. So if you want to use my size as a rule of thumb, if you guys are a true size 10, then size 42 should be perfect for you. From a comfort standpoint, so this isn't the most comfortable and most plush shoe on the market. However, that's not really what you're buying this shoe for. Despite basically the entire shoe being made out of leather, the quality and the softness of the leather really speaks for itself. So as a result, there wasn't really any break-in time required, which was a bit of a good surprise for me. However, in terms of the underfoot feel, it was a little bit more on the stiff side. However, I suspect that the more I wear this shoe, the more it'll mold to my feet and probably become more comfortable over time. So with all that being said, now let me lace up these pillar courts and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, if you're someone like me that generally sticks only to more athletic sportswear brands, and you're kind of curious to branch out to more high-end fashion, then this is a good sort of transitional shoe. It really bridges that gap well, being more of a sporty and lifestyle silhouette while keeping Collegium's roots and promise of being a very high quality product. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these Collegium Pillar Court 1s. So if you guys are interested in picking these up, these are available on Collegium's website, so I'll add the link down below in the description box, and they're also available at major city Bloomingdale's as well. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, I just want to give one final shout out to the sponsor for today's video, Rose Gold and Black. So once again, I'll add their social media, their website, all that stuff down below. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.